Hello viewers, finally Apple has released another update, that is iPadOS 26.4.2. Many people are actually facing problem after updating to the latest version of iPadOS 26.3.1. So they are asking me whether they should update to the latest version or not. Now let me show you about this update. As you can see here, this update will provide bug fixes and security updates for your iPad, and the size of this update, you can see that 474.2 MB. so this is not a big update, but I think this will solve your problem like battery drainage, lagging issue while gaming high intensive games. But before updating to the latest version, let me show you the storage scenario. As you can see here, 52 GB is occupied out of 64 GB, and if I go into iPadOS, it is 18.4.1.18 GB around, and system data is 16 GB. So without wasting any more time, I will update to the latest version. You can see here I am updating. iPad is updating to the latest version, that is iPadOS 26.4.2. So finally I have updated to the latest version, that is iPadOS 26.4.2. I think this update will definitely fix your bugs. If you are facing any bugs like battery drainage issue or any other issue while gaming, lagging, etc. So after updating to the latest version, the first thing that I will check is the HDR capability or video playback, whether there is any problem in this update or not. So as you can see here, as of now there is no problem in terms of screen flickering or screen burn or any other issue. You can definitely enjoy your multimedia consumption as you are enjoying. Now let me give you a sound test after this update. So this tablet or iPad is definitely good for multimedia consumption, and even after this update there is no issue in the display quality or screen flickering problem. After that I will check the fluidity of the screen. As you can see here, there is no problem in spridging or fluidity. This is as smooth as it was before, though it is a 60 Hz display, yet you will not feel any kind of hiccups or lag while scrolling through apps. Also then I will check app opening and closing. As you can see here, app is opening and closing very fast. There is no problem actually. So yeah, there is no problem in multitasking also. Many people actually want to know about the battery life of this update, so it is not possible for me to tell you anything about the battery life as of now because I have just updated to the latest version. So I can give you any inputs only after using it for a couple of days. I will put another video where I will speak about the battery life. So if you are interested to watch that video, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video. And also I will upload a video about the review of this update, that is iPadOS 26.4.2. so don't miss to watch that video, and only after that you can make the decision of whether you are eligible or whether you want to update to the latest version or not. So I think this update is a very good update, but I can say anything after few days. So wait for the review of iPadOS 26.4.2. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.